Have you ever wanted something so badly that it actually happened? Like you kept thinking about it, you kept dreaming about it, you kept fantasizing about it, and then boom, all of a sudden it shows up? Did you think it was magic? It really wasn't magic, and it wasn't that much luck. It was manifestation, and that's what manifestation really is. I was thinking about this last night, and I was thinking, what is manifestation? Because shoot, I've been trying for years. They tell you to write things down and to think about it and to keep repeating your affirmations and all that stuff that you want and anything you want is going to happen. And then last night I come to realize that that's all great and everything and I've been doing it for years, but what's the true meaning of manifestation? It's that deep wanting inside our gut that we can't just sit there and read about it and think about it. We have to do it. We actually have to take action to do it. And that's how we manifest it. Have you ever thought when we were babies, we didn't know it, we did it subconsciously, but we had this desire to walk? How did we walk? We wanted it so badly. We wanted to be just like everybody else, all those people around us that were walking and were free. Nobody had to carry them, nobody had to do anything for them. So it's just so crazy when you think about that because how did we walk? We had that desire. We had that want. We tried and we fell again and we crawled and we got up and we fell again and we walked. That's manifestation. That's exactly what we have to do in life. But life gets in the way, thoughts get in the way, and we forget how to want something so badly. And so in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how it works. And you can start using this to transform your life starting today. So most people think, like I said, it's a manifestation is a magical force. But let me give you the real deal. It's simply, like I said, wanting something so badly that you make it happen. It's about aligning your mindset with your actions and your energy with your desires until they become reality. And trust me, it works because whether you realize it or not, you've been manifesting your entire life. You learn how to walk, you learn how to talk, you learn how to eat, you learn how to work, you learn so many things. And actually, you are manifesting exactly what you want. So this isn't just wishful thinking, there's actual psychology behind it. Ever heard of reticular activating system? Let's just say you focus on something like a red car. You start seeing red cars everywhere. I remember when I was pregnant, I saw pregnant women everywhere. It was crazy. That's your RAS at work. Now, apply this to your goals. If you focus on success, opportunities and solutions, your brain will start noticing and attracting them. But you can't just focus on them. You actually have to take action to do something. So, let's get to the how-to part. There are three keys There are three key steps to manifesting. First of all, you have to get crystal clear on what you want. What do you want? Vague dreams lead to vague results. Don't just say, I want to be rich. Well, how are you going to get rich? Instead, say, I want to earn $10,000 a month from my business. The clearer your goal, the more precise, the stronger your manifestation and the stronger your will to do it will be. So, also align your actions with your vision. You have to act to get. You can't just sit here and say, "Oh, I want this and this and this," and think you're going to wake up in the morning and you're going to have it. You're not. So you can just think about it, or you have to take action. If you want to be healthier, visualize yourself as fit. Visualize yourself as exercising, but you have to go exercising. Get yourself to the gym. Get yourself walking. Get yourself jumping around your house to do something. It doesn't matter what. Do you want a new job? Start putting in your applications. You can't get a new job just sitting here thinking about it. You have to put the applications, get your resume ready, send that resume out there, whether you like it or not, whether it's a good resume or not, send it out. Start applying and upskilling. Manifestation isn't about sitting back, like I said, it's about making moves. Act as if you already have it, as if it's already yours. This is where the magic happens. When you believe that you already have what you desire, you start behaving differently. Your actions are different. Your radiant confidence is there. You make better decisions and you attract the right people. Think of think of it like this. If you already had a dream job, how would you dress? Dress that way. Dress successfully. How would you speak? Start embodying that now. Also, let's put this into perspective with a quick calculation. Let's just say you want to make an extra $1,000 a month, right? That's only $33 a day. Could you sell something online for $33 a day? Can you offer a service? Can you invest in a skill that makes income? Instead of saying I don't have enough money, focus on how you can create enough money. Say how can I create enough money? And that shift in the mindset alone will start opening doors for you. Or take relationships. If you want to attract love, are you showing up as the person you'd want to be with? Have you ever thought of that? That's a big one. Are you treating yourself with the same love and respect as you would want a partner to treat you? When you align your actions with your desires, the manifestation comes into play. So here's your challenge. Pick one thing you want to manifest. Write it down. Get clear on what it looks like. Take one action today that aligns with a goal. And most importantly, start acting like it's already yours. If this video gave you a light bulb moment, which I hope it did, let me know in the comments below and let me know what you want to manifest. You're manifesting what you want right now. And if you want more content like this, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will promise to keep bringing you what I can to the table, and we could take this journey together. So until next time, be the best you could be. Manifest the best things in your life you can. And I will see you in the next video.